If you're in e-commerce and still not selling on TikTok Shop in 2026, this video is for you because you really don't want to miss this opportunity. TikTok Shop just keeps getting bigger. More buyers, more products, more sales happening every single day. And you don't need thousands of followers to open a shop and make sales. You don't need a huge brand. You just need the right product and a simple system. So in today's video, I will show you exactly how to get started, step by step, from setting up your store to picking the right products and finding affiliates who will sell for you. And I will also show you the tool that you can use to validate products before you list them. So your first step is to understand what you can sell on TikTok. So first, you need to think about your product, because not every product works well on TikTok Shop. The products that sell well here have one thing in common. They are easy to demonstrate. You can show them in a short video and someone watching thinks, I need this right now. For example, a nugget ice maker. You show the ice, people go crazy. A jump rope with a counter. You demo it in 10 seconds. Or a car jump starter. One video of a dead battery coming back to life and it goes viral. What doesn't work that great are generic, non-visual products. A plain phone case. Something where there is no wow moment in the video. So before you list anything, ask yourself, can I make a 15-second video of this product that makes someone stop scrolling and think, I need that? If yes, you're in good shape. There is also another way to validate your product ideas for the TikTok Shop, and I'll show you how to do it a little bit later in this video. But for now, your second step is to actually set up your TikTok Shop. Okay, so the first thing you need to do here is go to seller.tiktok.com. This is where you create your seller account. Just click on Sign Up Now and register with your email or your phone number, and you will need to select a country from this list. By the way, it has to be your official country of residence. I'll choose the United States for this example because most of my viewers are in the United States, and then it will ask you to choose your seller type. In the US, you will see a few options: individual, sole proprietorship, corporation, or partnership. Again, these options can differ depending on your country of residence. And if you are just starting out and you don't have a registered business yet, then you can just go with individual. You will need to provide your ID and your social security number if you're in the US. One thing to know, TikTok will also ask you for a proof of address, because this needs to match the address on your ID. And the bank statement works perfectly for this as well. After that, you can choose your shop name, pick something simple that fits your niche, and then select your primary product category and verify your email and your phone number. Then you will submit your application, and it usually takes about 3 business days to get approved, but sometimes it's working a little bit faster. While you're waiting, you can already start setting up your shop. There are a few things that you can do right away. First, add your shipping settings. You will want to switch from TikTok shipping to seller shipping so that you have full control of this. 2, add your tax information, and 3, connect your TikTok account to your shop by scanning the QR code inside the seller dashboard. That is really all the setup. It's not that complicated at all. The part that people usually struggle with is not the setup. It's actually finding the right products to sell. So your next step is to find profitable products. Let me show you the tool that I use for product research on TikTok Shop. It's called ShopShark. And if you want to try it, I have my partner link in the description below, where you can get 3 days of free access, so you can explore it before choosing a plan. The whole idea behind ShopShark is this. You see a TikTok video promoting a product and you think, how much money did that person actually make from this video? ShopShark connects to TikTok Shop and it pulls out all the products that are currently trending. It shows you real data like sales numbers, affiliate commissions, viral scores, everything that you need to decide if a product is worth selling. So that is the core of what ShopShark does. It's a product research and analytics platform built specifically for TikTok Shop. Every single day, it scans 20 million videos to pull real performance data. And by the way, some other tools update their data weekly, but ShopShark updates daily, which matters a lot on TikTok, where a trend can go from rising to dead in 48 hours. Inside the platform, you can research 3 things: winning videos, winning products, and winning live streams. And let me walk you through each one. I'll start with Products tab. This is where you find trending products with real numbers. For every product, you can see the units sold, GMV or total revenue generated, sales in the last 7 days, and more information. You can filter by category as well. For example, I found a plastic storage box priced at $12. It has sold over 24,000 units. Total GMV on this one product alone is $235,000. That is not guesswork. That is verified data. The next one is Videos tab. Instead of searching by product, this one shows you the top performing videos driving sales right now. You can see exactly how much GMV each video generated. One video that I looked at already made $941,000 in the past 60 days. You also get a lot of insights about the performance of the videos. You can see whether or not this seller is using affiliates, and if so, you can see how big or small is the affiliate commission that they pay. If you scroll down a bit, you will also see many other videos about the same product, and you can click on them and check more details on those videos as well. And this is how you figure out what to sell and to create on TikTok Shop. You're not copying someone else's style blindly, you're looking at what is actually converting and making money. And there is also this Lives tab, and this is something that I haven't seen in other tools. So ShopShark tracks live selling sessions and then shows you a heat map of activity on them. And I don't know how you feel about selling on a live video, but I know that many sellers are absolutely crushing it on TikTok selling on lives. Like this 2-hour live apparently has a GMV of $4.7 million. Like what? They had 10,000 viewers and made $446 per viewer. They sold 50,000 units, so that's 5 units per viewer. Do you want to know what kind of products they sold to make that much revenue? I definitely want to know. And ShopShark can show us this information too. So just scroll down and you can check the top revenue driving products for this couple. And their top product apparently is a jump starter for dead car batteries. Once you are on the specific product page, you can again get all the insights on this particular product, including the total GMV, the price of the product, and so on. Now, why does this matter more than just looking at TikTok itself? Because TikTok just shows you views, but ShopShark shows you revenue. Those are very different things. A video with 2 million views and 0 sales tells you nothing useful. But ShopShark filters for what actually converts. It also tracks actual product costs and dollar commissions and not just sales volume, so you can see real profit margins for sellers. You don't need to guess anymore if you are actually in the green selling this product or another product. And if you want to try it, I have a link in the description where you get 3 days of free access, so you can explore everything before you decide on a plan. And we're moving to the next step. You will set up your affiliates. Now here's the part that makes TikTok Shop different from almost every other platform. You don't have to be the only one making all the content for your products. Affiliates, creators on TikTok, can add your product to their videos and earn a commission on every single sale that they bring in. This means that other people are selling your product for you, for free. You only pay them when a sale happens. And here is how to set it up. In your Seller Center, you go to Affiliate tab and you will see 2 options here. One is Open Collaboration, and this means that any eligible creator can request to promote your product at your standard commission rate. So turn this on for every product you list. And the second option is targeted collaboration. This is where you reach out to specific creators, you offer them a higher commission, and you send them free samples. Now, for the commission rate, when you're just starting out, I recommend you to be generous. If other sellers are offering, say, 10% commission, then offer 20%, because you want creators to choose your products over someone else's. And for the samples, enable sample requests. When creators apply, you can look at two things: their post rate, how often do they actually post after receiving a sample, look at around 70% or higher. And you can look at their sales volume. You should check if they have actually driven sales for other products before. And send samples to as many relevant creators as you can, at least in the beginning. Because some videos will not perform, but some will go viral. And that is how the system works. And once you start seeing which creators and which videos are actually driving the sales, that brings us back to ShopShark, because that's exactly the kind of data that it shows you. You can see which content is converting and which is not, so you know who to keep working with, and you can compare commissions that other sellers offer for similar products, and you can see how many affiliates your competitors are attracting, and so on. All of this information will help you make the right decisions about your work with affiliates. So start with one product. Use ShopShark to validate it, test it, and see what happens. That's how you should start. Not perfectly, just quickly. And if you found this video helpful, then give me a like. It really helps this channel. And if you want to see more videos on how to grow an online business, then hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Now, before you close this page, check out my video on how to create realistic UGC videos with AI tools only. This might be the next thing that you need to sell your products on TikTok too. I'll see you in that next one.